Welcome to Membership Websites. So today we're going to look at the main menu design, which is just along here. And we'll show you a few tips and tricks that you can apply to your main menu. So if we go to the admin section, we'll go down to settings and into design settings. Within design settings, we'll be able to load up the menu design, main menu design. So we've got the main menu design just here, and we'll open it up and we can see we've got a few settings just here. Display main menu, yes, you could display main menu or you can hide it from the website. So we want to display it. Menu behavior is standard. So what that means is that when we scroll down, the menu disappears. It sticks to the place where it was originally put. Okay, what we might want to do is we might want to change that. A lot of websites have a stick to top when scrolling, for example. And if we save that, go back to the main menu, we'll refresh that. And then now when we scroll, we can see the menu follows the page down. So it stays just along the top and stays in position. As another option, you can also place it at the bottom. So we could stick it to the bottom, save, back to the website, refresh. And now it sticks to the bottom. You see it along the bottom of the website. So it depends at what you want it for and how you want it to suit your needs of your members and visitors. We're going to have it sticking to the top when scrolling. Public visitor main menu, logged in main menu. You can change this. You can create a second main menu that will display for your logged in members, and we'll have a look at that another time. You can set the font and the font size of your menu, and then you might want to set the background. So you might want to change, for example, the menu bar background to blue. So we'll try that. Save, back to the website. We'll refresh. It's back at the top and it's gone to blue. Okay. If we're using blue, we might prefer to have black links as opposed to white links. And again, we'll save that. We'll go back to the website, refresh that, and we'll see that the links turn to black. There we go. So a couple of other things that you might want to do. Let's go to the menu itself. So in Toolbox, we'll go to Menu Manager. And we're going to look for the main menu, and we're going to click on Customize. And what we might want to do is we might want to add links within certain menu items. So we're going to add some links within the members directory, for example. So we'll go to here, and we're going to add 3 links. So we're going to call these link 1, link 2, link 3, and we're just going to send them to the home page because this is just an example, and we'll save that. Now if we go back to the main menu, you'll actually see the links appear in the main bar. So if we refresh, we've now got link 1, link 2, link 3, but we want them attached to the members directory main link. So what we do is if we go back to the main menu, click on edit, opens it up. So we want them attached to this one. So to do that, we simply just drag the box in for each one and create a tier, a second tier from the first. Save that, back to the main menu. We'll see link 1, 2, and 3 disappear, but they reappear here. So as you hover over members directory, we can see the links here. Now you can go another step further. So let's go to link 3, and then we're going to go add in menu items, and we're going to go link 1, link 2, link 3. Again, we'll just direct these to the home page, and then we're going to drag these in again to create another tier of links. Can be a bit fidgety sometimes when you're dragging them in. We're going to save that back to main menu, refresh the main menu, and again, when we go along, we can see we've got link 1 and link 2, but when we go into link 3, we've now got another tier of links associated to link 3. And you can do this with any of the links. You might do the same with link 2 and link 1, which is great for navigation around your site. One more thing we'll show you is how to change a background color of a specific menu item. So let's say, for example, the Join Today button. Let's say we want to change it to another color. If we go to, first of all, design settings, we can use our website colors that are located within the button colors. So if I open up button colors, so we could use one of our button colors, and we can change these colors to whatever we want to change them to. Just mind, if you do change the color, that color is reflected wherever this button color is called around your website. But we're just going to use the success button color. So we're going to create a green background to the Join Today page, the Join Today link, sorry, on the main menu. Okay, so to do that, it's very simple. Go to Toolbox Menu Manager, back into the main menu, and we're going to go down to the Join Today. We're going to click the cogwheel, and in the last box, the outer class, we're going to put in BG for background dash, and we're calling the success button. Okay, save changes, back to main website, and then hopefully this section here, the background of this button here, will display green when we refresh. And there we go. So we're managing to highlight a button which also is reflected on mobile display as well when you open up the menu. So it's a great add-on, a great feature to have on your menu to highlight a certain link. I hope you enjoyed all that, and thanks for watching.